Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the security screen lock on a mobile device without doing a factory reset to it. Over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers who either accidentally got themselves locked out of their own phone, or their kid had placed a screen lock on their phone while they were playing with it and accidentally locked out the owner, or also, in a lot of cases, someone's close friend or family member will pass away and they need to get into their device to find specific certain information, and the person didn't leave the information for the screen lock in their will or anything like that. And so over the years, we've been helping tons of customers get into devices bypassing the screen lock that's on there, but without doing a factory reset to the device so that the information stays safe. Now, here with us today, we have a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. And this one is originally from T-Mobile here in the US. And this is a device that does have the screen lock enabled. As we can swipe up here, we can see that it is asking for an unlock pattern. Now, we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove the screen lock on this device without doing a factory reset to it. And we had actually already done 99% of the work before we started making the video. So now we just have to do one little restart to the device, and then we should be able to see that that lock is gone after it boots back up. While this is going, I should mention that this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and then we can connect directly to you through the internet and then do the exact same thing that we're doing right here, right now. So it's just about done finishing up here with the restart. We can of course see the T-Mobile logo. And then it looks like we're all set here. So on the lock screen again, we're going to go ahead and swipe that. And boom, there we go. So instead of the pattern, we can now see that we go straight to the home screen. The lock has been totally removed and it's set up and it's accessible with all of the data that was in it still intact. And of course, we didn't do a factory reset to it, because if we had done that, the phone would come up to that welcome screen with the button saying next or continue or begin or something like that to take you through the initial setup steps. So this is proof that it was bypassed without deleting any of the data on the phone. While I have this here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with here. So again, it's the Galaxy S6 Edge from Samsung, and then that model number there, the G925T, that's what uniquely identifies it as being from T-Mobile here in the US. So if you have a T-Mobile Galaxy S6 Edge and would like help getting the screen lock removed from it without performing a factory reset, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.